Hello everyone, welcome back to Innoven Foods. Today I'm sharing a soft, cheesy and absolutely delicious chicken cheese kebab recipe. Perfect for snacks, parties or a special dinner treat. Take 2 chicken breast pieces. And cut them into thin slices. Slice the chicken thin for faster, juicier cooking. Using thin chicken slices help the kebab cook evenly inside out. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons curd, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon pepper powder, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well. Now add the chicken slices. Coat them evenly and marinate for 10 minutes. Marinating with curd keeps chicken extra soft and tender. Now for the stuffing, half cup mozzarella cheese, half teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Cheese stuffed kebabs are a modern twist on traditional Mughlai kebabs. Now take each marinated chicken slice. Add some mozzarella stuffing. Fold it gently. And secure with a toothpick. Heat 1 tablespoon butter and 2 tablespoon oil. Place the kebabs and cook on medium heat. Cook on medium heat to avoid burning the cheese filling. Flip once. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Flip again. Chicken breast is high in lean protein and low in fat. Curd helps digestion and reduces spice heat. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Spread the remaining mozzarella cheese on top. Coriander leaves add antioxidants and freshness. Cheese adds calcium but use moderately for a balanced diet. Cover for 2 minutes until the cheese melts beautifully. Mozzarella melts slowly, giving that perfect stretchy pull. Your chicken cheese kebabs are ready, juicy, cheesy and full of flavor, perfect for kids, guests or weekend cravings. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share. Tell me which kebab recipe you want next. Stay connected with Innoven Foods for more easy homemade recipes.